Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about gallbladder malabsorption, okay? So if you've had your gallbladder removed and you've noticed that you have nasty, smelly bowel movements that sit on top of the water and are hard to flush, you might have gallbladder malabsorption. If you notice that after you eat, you're bloated and you're gassy and you feel very uncomfortable, you might have gallbladder malabsorption. If you notice that you have chronic diarrhea that cannot be treated and is hard to get over, you might have gallbladder malabsorption. So today I'm going to talk about 3 things that can help with gallbladder malabsorption. And I also want to talk about the role of the gallbladder and bile. So your gallbladder is a small organ that sits in your liver, unless you had it removed, and it produces bile acids for your body. Bile acids are like a detergent that help break down fats. That's what they do. They break down fats. So if you've had your gallbladder removed, you may have a problem breaking down fats. And there are 3 things to help with that. One is going to be digestive enzymes. So digestive enzymes are enzymes that help break down fat, and are enzymes that help break down protein and help break down food and food particles. The second thing is going to be bile salts. So you might need bile salts to help you break down fats because you're not getting enough because you had your gallbladder removed. So bile salts is also a very, very beneficial thing that you can start taking. The third thing is going to be a high fiber diet and probiotics. So those 3 things can help with gallbladder malabsorption. So if you also notice that you're not losing weight, you're bloated, you have midsection gut and digestive issues, as well as SIBO or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, all these things can be caused by gallbladder malabsorption. So if you had your gallbladder removed, I repeat, if you had your gallbladder removed, you might need digestive enzymes, you might need bile salts, or you might need probiotics and fiber. Also, stay away from the fatty foods. Stay away from the greasy foods. They're not going to do you any good, and they'll probably cause you more harm. So that's a diet modification that you can also do. My name is Dr. Elizabeth Kalawali, and I'm a family medicine, integrative medicine doctor. If you'd like to know more information about me or my practice, please go to prosperdpc.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.